Our first example is front view, top view and side view of object are given. Draw its isometric view. Means orthographic projections are given. Front view, top view and left hand side view is given. This is the orthographic projection of one object. These orthographic projections are in first angle projection method. Our aim is to draw the 3D drawing, means isometric view. So what is difference between isometric view and isometric projections? In isometric view, the 3D drawing in which all the dimensions are in true length, but in isometric projection, all the dimensions in 3D drawings reduced. So here orthographic projections in which front view, top view and left hand side view. So first of all you have to find out the overall length, width and height of the object. So first length 60 mm, width 30 plus 20 means 50 mm, and height 20, 20, 20, 60. Here I have given the number for length 1, for width 2 and for height 3. So length of the object can be found from front view as well as from top. Width of the object can be found from top view as well as from side. Height of the object can be found from front view as well as from left hand side. Now how to start isometric drawing or isometric view? First of all, we have to draw one horizontal line, take any point and draw a line which is 30-degree inclined to horizontal line. Now give the name of this line is line number 1. Second, 30-degree clockwise with horizontal line, give name 2. Third one is always vertical line which is perpendicular to horizontal line. So in any isometric drawing or isometric view, we have to draw these 3 lines which represents the length, width and height of the object. Here we have taken one number here which represents length 60 mm. Sometimes if you put here one number and two number here, so in that case this line represents length and this is width. But here we want to put arrow for the position of the observer here, then this line must be length. If we put this arrow here, then this line must be length. Actually, before final drawing, here we are using thin lines or light lines for construction. Now from this origin to line number 1, we have to put 60 mm long line. Line number 2 50 mm, line number 3 60. So this is 60 mm, this is also 60 mm parallel to line number 1. Now draw one line parallel to line number 1 means length. From this point draw one line parallel to line number 2, width. From this line again parallel to length and this line parallel to width. Before drawing we have to prepare one box of length, width and height. So this is the border of our object. Now keep in your mind the lines in 2D and lines in 3D. Now in 2D object, front view, all the horizontal lines. In 3D, that all horizontal lines are parallel to line number 1. all vertical lines in front view in 2D, that lines in 3D all are parallel to line number 3. Now in top view, all the horizontal lines are parallel to line number 1 in 3D. All vertical lines in top view parallel line number 2 in 3D. Now in 2D side view, all the horizontal lines are parallel to line number 2 in 3D, and all vertical lines in side view parallel to line number 3 in 3D. Now, okay, start. First line is this horizontal line length on line number 1. Now, this vertical line is here. Now, this is vertical line for this horizontal parallel to line number 1. The vertical line parallel to line number 3. This horizontal line parallel to length, vertical line parallel to line number 3, and this horizontal line parallel to line number 1. Now observe left hand side view in which this line horizontal is width, this vertical line height parallel to line number 3, this horizontal line parallel to line number 2, this vertical line parallel to line number 3, and for this line is parallel to line number 2. Now top view, this line represents parallel to line number 1, this line represents parallel to line number 2, this is parallel to line number 1, and this line is parallel to line number 2. Now if we combine front view, top view and side view in your mind, you will get in top view there are two steps which represents in front view this one, and for side view these are two steps. So this line for front view is this, and for top view is this. This line for top view, this line, and for front view is just one. This line front view for this is for this line because this plane is perpendicular to HP and perpendicular to VP and parallel to profile. This is for this horizontal line, and this is for this vertical line, and this for this vertical line. So this is our final object. Insert all the dimensions. Next, front view and top view of an object are given. Draw its isometric view. So here one object is given in which this is front view and top view. These orthographic positions are in first angle projection method. So observe here total overall length 80 mm, width 40 mm, and height 40 mm. This is base, front view of base, top view of base. This is front view of this plate or block. Its top view is represented here. There is one slot you can see in top view, in the front view of that slot here. So first of all, find out overall length, width, height, line number 1, 2, 3. Draw 30 degree and vertical line. Now here we are starting. First directly draw this bottom block. Means draw a line in line number 1, line number 2. This line is of length 80 mm and this is 40 mm. And draw vertical 10 mm, also 10 mm and 10. So first of all, draw one bottom part or base of the object. Now length 60 plus 20 and width 10 mm. Draw one block here, 60 and 10. Draw vertical 30 mm height. Draw line parallel to this. Now insert the final outline for this block. This is 10 mm deep, 10 mm vertical height 10 mm. So you have to complete your bottom block with red color, which is final outlines. Now for this block, draw vertical line from this. Now this block in which this length is 40 mm, so you have to go 40 mm, then join this point to bottom of the plate. This is 10 mm thickness, so insert this line for this line and you have to join these two corners. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.